In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get blank documents to print in Docusign. If you found yourself in situations where you need to upload and print blank documents through Docusign, don't worry, it's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through it in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to ensure that you're on the Docusign website. Docusign is one of the leading platforms in electronic signature and agreement management, making it an essential tool for managing digital documents efficiently. Once you're on the web page, the next step is to locate the Login button. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that to access your account. If you're new to Docusign, you might need to create an account, but assuming you're ready to go, let's keep moving forward. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your Docusign homepage. This area serves as your dashboard where everything you need is conveniently organized. Once there, you want to look for the Start button. This is where you'll begin the process of sending or preparing documents. It's conveniently located on your dashboard, and it's your gateway to uploading and configuring your document settings. Once you've clicked on Start, you'll see an option to upload. This feature will allow you to select files from your device that you wish to work with. Click on Upload and a file window will appear where you can locate the blank document you wish to print. Ensure the document is saved in a compatible format such as PDF or Word for seamless uploading. Next, select the blank document from your File Explorer and click Open to upload it to Docusign. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may take a couple of moments. It's always handy to double check that you've chosen the correct file before proceeding. Once the document is uploaded, you'll see it listed in your Docusign interface, ready for any processing you need to apply. At this stage, you're all set to complete any additional actions you need before printing, such as adding tags or recipients if necessary, but for simply printing a blank document, you're practically done. The document is now part of your Docusign workflow, ready to be printed directly or processed as part of a larger digital document initiative. And there you have it, a quick and simple method to ensure your blank documents are available in Docusign for printing. Remember, getting familiar with the Docusign interface can make your workflow so much smoother, as this tool is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. I hope this guide was clear and helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to look into Docusign's help resources or reach out for support. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.